Imagine looking out your window, watching cars drive by. Suddenly, the ground opens up and asphalt and grass start to collapse into the hole. Then the giant hole swallows your car. It's a terrifying image, but it can happen if a sinkhole forms and the land above the sinkhole collapses. Fortunately, sinkholes are relatively rare, but they're devastating and costly when they occur. Do you need coverage just in case? Hi there, I'm Amanda Mushro with AutoInsurance.com, and on the long list of ways your car could be damaged, a sinkhole may be at the bottom. But you know what they say, better safe than sunken. In this video, we'll explain what sinkholes are, how they form, what type of coverage you'll need to protect your vehicle, and how much it will cost you. There's so much to talk about, so let's get started. What are sinkholes? They're holes in the ground that form when dirt and rocks wash away. The ground above the sinkhole collapses because of natural occurrences like droughts or heavy rainfall. But they can also collapse because of human activity, like building on top of already weak or vulnerable ground or drilling too many wells. Over time, cavities form. So imagine the underground looking like Swiss cheese. Eventually, the ground can't support the soil on the surface, and the underground begins to cave and collapse. That means anything on top of the soil, like roads, cars, and even homes, can fall into the sinkhole. Sinkholes can be just a few feet wide and deep to hundreds of acres wide and 100 feet deep. Depending on the size and shape, some sinkholes can cause catastrophic damage. Where are sinkholes happening? According to the U.S. Geological Survey, sinkholes are the most common in Texas, Alabama, Missouri, Kentucky, Pennsylvania, Florida, and Tennessee. The U.S. Geological Survey says there isn't a system to determine if there is or isn't a sinkhole on your property. Their advice is to watch for signs of sinkholes, like cracks forming in your foundation or holes in the ground. Also, check with your county property appraiser or ask about a statewide sinkhole database where you live. If you're wondering just how common sinkholes are, there's good news. They're relatively rare, and according to the Insurance Information Institute, researchers say the chance of a catastrophic sinkhole is only 1 in 100 in any given year throughout the entire United States. If you live in an area that is prone to sinkholes, you'll want to make sure your car is protected. That means you'll want to add comprehensive car insurance to your policy. Comprehensive insurance covers sinkholes because it includes weather-related events like floods and hurricanes. But you'll want to check your auto insurance policy because no state requires comprehensive coverage. If you purchase only the minimum state coverage, you'll have to pay out of pocket to have your vehicle repaired or replaced in the event of a sinkhole. However, if you have full coverage auto insurance, which includes liability, comprehensive, and collision, you already have sinkhole coverage. How much will sinkhole coverage cost you, and is it worth it? As part of comprehensive coverage, sinkhole coverage costs an average of $184 annually. However, some states are more expensive than others, with South Dakota being the highest at $348 and California the lowest at $97. This is according to the National Association of Insurance Commissioners. For new cars, comprehensive coverage is worth the added expense because if your vehicle is damaged in a sinkhole, you'll likely only have to pay a deductible, which averages around $500. And then you could receive thousands of dollars from your insurance company to repair or replace your car. However, if you have an older car, sinkhole coverage isn't really worth it because the repairs will likely cost more than the car itself. If your car is totaled because of a sinkhole or any other incident that comprehensive coverage covers, like fire, vandalism, or hitting an animal, your insurance provider will pay the car's actual market value, also known as the AMV, which is the price you'd get if you sold it tomorrow. not what you initially paid for the car. Bottom line, sinkholes often occur without warning and swallow up everything in their path. If you live in a state or an area that is prone to sinkholes, you'll want to check your insurance policy to ensure you're covered. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss a single video. And for more information on all things auto insurance, including how to find your perfect policy, be sure to visit us at autoinsurance.com. See you next time.